Hello all. So today we are going to see the demonstration for copy paste feature in Excel. So this is very commonly used feature in Microsoft Excel. So I will just demonstrate the tricks I know. The first one is copy paste. It is just simply copy and paste the entire table. We just need to select this, copy, select the destination and paste. So this will paste the entire structure, entire table as it is format and colors. If you want to have only values from this table, you don't need to have some format. You just need to select copy and select paste values. So this will paste only values, no symbols, no color, no format. Okay. If you want to have transpose of this table, you can simply select the columns that you need, name and salary in USD. I'm selecting copy, selecting destination, right click, paste special. You can see the option known as transpose. Select OK. So this will convert the columns into row. So add two columns data. This means I'm selecting this column. I'm selecting paste special. If you want to have the data 13 plus 23 is like 36, 26 plus 31 is 57, and so on. So if you want to add G and H data into H column, you need to select operation known as add in the paste special window. Similarly, you can perform multiplication, division, subtraction. I am selecting add. So you can see now 13 plus 23 is 36, 26 plus 31 is 57, and so on. If you want to copy this table to different sheets, so you can simply copy this table and select the destination from both the sheets. Press Ctrl and select the sheets that you want to copy, paste the values. Simply Ctrl V. You can see sheet 8 and 9 contain the same table as of sheet 7. So the last option is copy to filter values. I will show you. Suppose you have this table and you filtered with some values known as amount is equals to 1000. You got some 5 to 6 records, and if you assign discount to these values, once you unfiltered this data, you can see the values are placed correctly. Many people use this option. Suppose I have filtered this table with greater than 4000. So if I want to copy the discount values into this table, and I'm just pasting here, but this will not happen because the filter table contains the sequence of the values, and once you copy and paste it, it will paste sequentially. So this can be done. So what I'll do, I'll just unfilter this table again, and I will assign some sequence values over here, 1, 2, 3, and so on. I will just select this plus symbol, and this will just paste the entire table with the sequence of the numbers. I will again filter this table with my amount greater than 4000. So you can now see the serial numbers are 4 and 10. What you need to just do, just copy this serial number table, paste it over here. You can apply the formula VLOOKUP bracket this value, comma, from this table. I'm looking up the first value from this table, and comma, column index number, and range lookup like true and false. I will close the bracket you can see 10 value is copied. I will just paste this value and selecting the table. You can see now the discounts are applied correctly. Even if you unfilter this table, you can see the discount mapped correctly to my table. If you like this video, please like and comment and do subscribe to my channel. If you know the tricks, please comment on that. Thank you all. Stay safe. Goodbye.